everyone, Kanique with Composition, your web design company, and we're talking about curb appeal. Edged grass, weeds removed, fresh plants, swept sidewalks, cleaned windows, even a fresh coat of paint. We're talking about a well-manicured, intentional presentation. In my neighborhood, we have a yard of the month, and that sign in your front yard is a coveted badge of honor. Steep competition. I'm sure you're asking, what does curb appeal have to do with websites? I'm so glad you asked. We are well into this pandemic where the entire globe has literally taken to the World Wide Web for all our normal everyday functions. And now, more than ever, digital curb appeal needs to be on 100. If you don't have a website, you can't even join the game, because not only does a website make it real, a website gives you credibility. If you do have a website and haven't done any grooming, no edging, it's been years since your last coat of paint, what are you really trying to say to your potential customers? Get this, 94% of website users' first impressions are design related. 85% of business-to-business customers search the web before making a purchase decision. 75% of users admit to making judgments about a company's credibility based on their website design. Webster defines composition as the nature of something's ingredients or constituents, the way in which a whole or mixture is made up. Can I tell you what makes composition different? We bring years of experience, a personal, friendly touch, and deliver an end product that is specifically catered to your needs. We subscribe to a simple belief. Your website should function as an extra member of your team, and Composition knows how to set that up for you so that it delivers quantifiable benefits in the first month. A typical client is everyone in this room, small businesses. We stay in our lane and work with our peers who are in this room and others just like it all over the world. We do this to deliver a high quality, visually appealing, and optimized finished product. Our services include website creation, website redesign, site maintenance, troubleshooting, and consulting. But don't just take my word for it. Check out some of our projects. A website gives you credibility. A website gives you credibility. Come on, say it with me. A website gives you credibility. I'm Kanique with Composition LLC, hoping for an opportunity to help you be the credible choice. The canvas is blank. Let's compose something together.